Guys, I'm making a chicharon Kapampangan. After I put salt on this pork skin, I'm drying them, and this is how they look like right now until they get dry, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, these are my pork skin. After I dry them outside for like 1 day, I chopped them up this morning into pieces like this, and now I'm cooking them low heat. Cook them slow until the skin gets almost popping, and then after that we'll pull them off for like maybe an hour and a half, and then we will fry them. Okay, so I'll get back to you for the next step. Okay, this is what it looks like now. It's almost halfway now, so we just keep on stirring it until it's almost like a hard, like a rock. Okay, I'll show you later when it's done, but for now I'm just going to keep on stirring it. Alright, we'll get back to you later. Okay, they're done. So this is the first process. So we're gonna pull them off until they're really cold, and then we're gonna refry them. That's when the final stage is to make chicharon. Okay, so this is what they look like. So I'll get back to you for the final stage, the chicharon. Okay, so this is what it looks like after you cook until it becomes like this, like a rock, heavy and hard. Okay, and the next process is we're gonna refry it to make it a real chicharon. All right, okay, now it's time to make the final stage, how to make chicharon. So now I'm using the oil came from the back of that pork. So now I'm gonna start making chicharon. Alright, so let's do a little bit first. Do not overcrowd the pan. Okay, let's start with that one. Alright. Then just keep on stirring them just like this until they pop. While I already made 2 a while ago. This is what it looks like. Let me try one, see how crunchy it is. Okay. Really crunchy. Okay, just cook it like this, and we'll come back when they're done. Bye. Okay, Balae, just to show you that I'm making a homemade chicharon. Okay? Enjoy watching them, my chicharon. Bye. Onion. Garlic. Vinegar. Chili pepper. Just a little bit. Like that. Salt. Pepper. Okay, this is how you make the chicharon dipping sauce. Okay, now here's my here are my chicharon. I'm gonna show you how crunchy they are. All right, I've been eating them, so I'm just gonna get a little bit a small one, because I'm full already. I'm just gonna show you how to make dipping sauce and how to eat it. Okay, so you just soak, and stir the salt and pepper, and then you get onion and garlic like this and put in your mouth. Do you hear that? Crunchy. Yummy. Okay? Until next time. Bye.